Welcome back to another What's New in AutoCAD 2024 video. We will dive into the latest trace enhancements and new trace tools. Let's get started. Introduced in AutoCAD 2022, the trace environment continues to improve and now includes the new Copy from Trace command and new settings controls on the toolbar. To access these trace tools, open the Trace palette from the Collaborate tab in the ribbon. Then, on the palette, select and open a trace that was created previously for the current drawing file. Go to Markup Assist to switch to Trace Back. To copy objects from a trace, first open a trace, then enable Trace Back on the Trace toolbar, and use the Copy from Trace tool by typing Copy from Trace in the command line. Simply select the objects in a trace and they will be copied into the drawing, maintaining their original location. You can confirm their presence by closing the trace. AutoCAD 2024 introduced two new display options. The Overlay Effect control allows you to adjust the opacity of the tracing paper overlay, with lower values making it more transparent. The Geometry in Trace setting controls the fading of trace geometry in the background. It affects either the drawing geometry when Trace Front is enabled, or the trace geometry when Trace Back is active. That wraps up our exploration of the trace enhancements in AutoCAD 2024. The Copy from Trace command, along with the improved settings controls, provide a streamlined workflow for your tracing needs. Stay tuned for more AutoCAD 2024 new features. Thank you for watching.